Hey viewers, do you want to learn coding in short time? With these tips, you can learn coding in short time. Now watch this video till the end. Hey viewers, thanks for clicking this video. Welcome to CTR channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 tips that will help you learn coding in short time. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced developer, there's something for everyone in this video. Tip 1. Choose the right programming language. The first tip is to choose the right programming language. There are hundreds of programming languages out there, so it's important to pick one that is well suited for your goals. If you are not sure where to start, I recommend Python or JavaScript. These languages are both relatively easy to learn and are used in a wide variety of applications. Tip 2. Find a good learning resource. Once you've chosen a programming language, you need to find a good learning resource. There are many books, tutorials, and online courses available. I recommend finding a resource that is well written and easy to follow. It's also important to find a resource that is up to date, as programming languages are constantly evolving. Tip 3. Practice regularly. The best way to learn code is by practicing regularly. Set aside some time each day to code, even if it's just for 30 minutes. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Tip 4. Build projects. One of the best ways to learn code is by building projects. This will help you to apply the skills you are learning and to see how they all fit together. Start with small projects and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Tip 5. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you are stuck on a problem, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many online websites and communities where you can get help from other developers. You can also ask for help from friends, family, or colleagues. So, these are my 5 tips for learning coding in short time. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box. Thanks for watching full video. Finally, if my code runs on your machine, please like, share, and subscribe to CTR channel because I will add more bugs on your code.